What are the different stages of film production? Filmmaking happens in 5 main stages. That is development, pre-production, production, post-production, and distribution. Number 1 is development. This is where everything starts. The script is written or optioned, funding is secured, and the initial team is brought on board. Producers, writers, and sometimes directors are involved at this stage. If the money isn't there, then the film doesn't move forward. Number 2 is pre-production. This is the planning phase. The script is broken down, a budget is finalized, a schedule is created, and the key crew members like the director, the cinematographer, the production designer are hired. Casting happens, locations are secured, and everything is prepared so that production can run smoothly. Number 3 is production. So this is where the cameras start rolling, the cast and crew come together to bring the script to life. It's the most expensive stage of filmmaking because it involves the most people. The producer manages the budget, the director works with the actors, and the cinematographer captures the shots. Every day on set is carefully planned, or at least should be, but unexpected challenges always come up. Number 4 is post-production. Once filming wraps, the footage goes to the editor. The film is then cut together, sound design and visual effects are added later, music is composed, and color grading gives the final look. This phase can take weeks, months, or even years depending on the complexity of the film. Last but not least, number 5 is distribution. The film is finished, but now people need to actually see it. This stage involves submitting to festivals, selling to distributors, or releasing it through streaming platforms or cinemas. Marketing and promotion also play a huge role in getting an audience to actually watch the film. One thing to note with distribution and marketing for the film is that it shouldn't only happen at the end of all the stages and should actually be working alongside every stage of the film production. Every film you've ever seen has gone through these 5 stages. Some take years, some take months, but each step is crucial into turning an idea into something that people can watch.